Hi, my name is Doug Richard. You know me best from Dragon's Den. But in reality, I'm actually a small business owner. In fact, most of my life I've owned small businesses. You know, one of the hardest things I learned running a small business is that it's not always about growing revenue. Sometimes it's about saving money. And in fact, every pound you save is much faster and easier way to make a profit than putting the 10 pounds of revenue at the top. You need to earn the 1 pound that you save. Now you're on a website, the Business Fit website. This website is about tools to help you make money, but tools to help you save money. Saving money is a lot faster way to getting to profit, and this profit's important. Now, around me on this website, there's quite a bit of stuff. There's materials that I've created in partnership with Make It Cheaper to help you save money. See, one of the things I firmly believe is that you simply cannot, just because you're small, get an unfair shot. You're up against some pretty big suppliers in this world. The only way you're going to have a chance to have an even playing field is to have a clear, transparent opportunity to compare prices. One of the reasons I work with Make It Cheaper is because they are on the side of small business, and their goal is to make it transparent and to make sure you're in a position to not have to pay attention to your energy prices and your other business services so that you can make the money and keep the money that you make. Whether you spend it on a holiday or on your kids' education or reinvest it into the business, it's your money, and that's where it should stay. After all, you worked hard enough to make it. Don't you think you deserve to keep it?